Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure your device OS is current enough for the latest Netflix build and free up 5 to 1 GB of storage if required. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail mid-transfer. Sign into the device app store with the account that installed Netflix. This authorizes the update. Then open the store app, search Netflix, and tap the entry to reveal the update control. Start the process now. You tap Update and watch the progress indicator in the store or notification shade. This shows both download and install phases. If the update requests permissions, grant storage and network access so the installer can replace app files. This is normal and safe. Make sure the device stays powered. Plug it in for large installs and avoid closing the store app until installation completes. If the store switches between download and install, wait. Interrupting can corrupt the app, so be patient. You finish by launching Netflix, signing in, and testing playback with a short title to confirm the update succeeded. Also check settings for new features. If the update failed, restart your device first, then retry the update. If issues persist, clear the App Store cache or uninstall and reinstall Netflix. Make sure to note any error code or exact message. This speeds up support. If nothing works, contact the store or Netflix support and provide the error text and device model for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.